Having successfully completed the application for a job opening through the self-service applicant portal, the applicant is automatically added to the recruiting module candidate database in the system. From here, the HR officer or the recruiting officer who's in charge of managing the candidates can sort the candidates by status, change their statuses. They can generate job letters or job offers as well. They can schedule interviews or fill out the interview forms as well. From here, they can also hire a particular candidate also. Candidates can be sorted through the general candidate database, as we see here with all candidates, or they can be sorted through the job opening itself. Opening up the job opening and viewing the description, you can actually view the candidates here and open the specific candidate database just for that job. As you see here, we have for the 𝗓𝗄𝗎 marketing manager, versus here is the generic candidate tracking database. In the drop-down actions panel, we can view the candidate's answers to the job-specific questions that we've created when setting up the job opening. This can help inform us whether we wish to shortlist the candidate or not. So here we can mark or unmark a candidate as shortlisted in the system. Likewise, should we decide that we wish to move them on, we can schedule interviews for them, which will automatically generate an invitation to the interviewer and send notification to the candidate for that interview. If we so desire, we can also generate letters for them. The letters that are available for candidates are based on templates that you can upload into the system to configure, or you can create them in the settings section of the system. Here we can set the candidate status and choose a letter template that can be populated. Down here in the template editor, we can edit the template before generating the letter, choosing a name, for example, or a field that can be populated from the candidate's card, and then generating the letter itself. Once generating the letter is then attached to an email and sent to the employee, where they can view the contents of the letter. Similar to letters, we can also generate job offers as well to individuals and send that to them via email also, all from the candidate tracking database. So, in conclusion, we can change the status through various statuses to better sort our candidates. We can view the answers for the candidates. We can manage interviews and evaluate the candidates overall to determine whether we wish to hire them or not. Lastly, we can also hire the candidates either as a starter in the system or integrate them completely as an employee, which will kick off an onboarding workflow that can be set up through the core HR part of the system. And that concludes the candidate tracking of Lanteria. Thanks for watching.